Dear children, today we are going to complete the question answers of lesson 3 Save Jamuni in our English 2 notebooks. Children, trees are our best friends. They provide us with many things. They provide us with oxygen. Without trees, it is very difficult to survive on the earth. So we must grow more and more trees. Students, in this lesson, Save Jamuni, I have told you how two friends, Karan and Kareem, with the help of their teacher, helped to stop the tree cutting in their village. Children, take out your English 2 notebooks. Write the date at the top of the page. Page number 25. On the first line, write lesson number 3. Next line, Save Jamuni. S capital and J, Jamuni capital. Part C. On the next line, write answer these questions. Children, write it in the same way as I have written you. You can see it on your screen. Question 1. Who built their homes in the Jamun tree? Question mark. Who built their homes in the Jamun tree? Question mark. Answer is the birds. B-I-R-D-S. Birds built their homes in the Jamun tree. Here you have to learn only the spellings of the birds. Everything else you will find it from the question. The birds built their homes in the Jamun tree, full stop. First letter will be capital, the T will be capital. Question 2. Why did the children call the tree Jamuni? Question mark. Why did the children call the tree Jamuni? Question mark. Children, now turn your page with me and start writing. Answer 2. The children called the tree Jamuni. Jamuni's J will be capital because BECAUSE, because once a year it was full of purple jamuns. The children called the tree Jamuni because once a year it was full of purple jamuns. Full stop. Question 3. Why did the 3 men come to the village? Question mark. Why did the 3 men come to the village? Question mark. Answer 3 is the 3 men came to the village to cut down some trees. To cut down some trees. Full stop. The 3 men came to the village to cut down some trees. Question number 4. Who did Karan and Kareem go to for help? Who did Karan and Kareem go to for help? Question mark. Answer is, children, turn your page. Karan and Kareem went to their teacher for help. K capital of Karan and K of Kareem is also capital. Karan and Kareem went to their teacher for help. Question 5. How were the trees saved? How were the trees saved? Question mark. The answer is the trees were saved with the help of the villagers. The trees were saved with the help of the villagers. VILLAGERS, full stops. Villagers. Children, write these question answers in your English 2 notebook in a very good handwriting and in the same way as I have written. Learn the difficult spellings, and I am going to dictate few difficult words with their meanings. You can note down in your notebook. Students, start writing these word meanings on a new page and learn them. First is cruel. Cruel means unkind. 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 Second one is scared. Scared means frightened. 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 Third one is protect. Protect means to guard. Guard, guard. Fourth one is followed. It means to go in the same direction, to follow someone on the same path. Next is shouted, to speak in a loud voice. Shouted means to speak in a loud voice. Then it is angry. Angry means to show anger. Angry, to show anger. Axe is a tool with a wooden handle used for cutting trees. Stranger, a person whom you do not know. A person whom you do not know. Trunk, main stem of the tree. Main stem of the tree. Twigs, small branches of tree. Small, thick branches of trees. Students, learn and write these word meanings in your notebook. It is very important to know the meaning of the difficult words. Learn them and complete your work in your notebooks. Thank you. Take care.